AI chatbots are not as perfect as you think. They lie, and when they lie, they can cost billions. Earlier this year, during a product demo, Google displayed a wrong answer their chatbot generated and lost $140 billion in a matter of hours. So, should you trust AI bots? Let's find out. Admit it, you are enjoying the recent wave of chatbots a little too much. You ask them complex questions about the universe, jokes, celebrity gossip, answers to your homework, and even recipes.
How tall is Ben Shapiro? That is not true.
No matter how you use chatbots like Chat GPT, Bard, or Bing, these bots have a dark side. AI experts around the world are making their voices heard by publishing an open letter in The New Yorker to address the impending doom AI and bots can cause. They are worried that politics and warfare will mix with AI and make things pretty dark over the coming years. While we are far from a total systematic meltdown, it begs the question, are AI chatbots flawed? On the face of it, AI chatbots are here to make our lives better. They are excellent at generating answers to all your life's questions. You can ask about history, human issues, and literally anything under the sun. By now, you must have asked everything you can ask. But have you ever stopped to question these answers? Remember what we used to do before AI bots? We used to search things on Google, sift through pages and pages of websites, and come up with an answer ourselves. We used our own deductions and reasoning to pick what we thought was the correct answer. Would you have ever believed that could change? But now, we are slowly turning away from our trusted methods and saving hours on research needs by simply talking to a chatbot and placing too much faith in the answer. Because hey, these bots are made by the most innovative engineers, right? They can't be wrong. If you're into all things AI, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop and never miss out on the latest mind-blowing advancements in the world of artificial intelligence. Remember to turn on post notifications so you're always the first to know. Most AI chatbots out there are limited in one way or another. Sometimes their dataset is old, like Chat GPT 3.5. You can't ask it questions about the present because it is still stuck in 2021. So anything you ask from this bot is pretty limited. And the rest, well, the best way to subscribe them is fuzzy. What that means is the answers they generate are not fixed. If you ask them the same question twice, you'll get two versions of the same answer that the bot deems correct. The replies are created based on a probability game. It's like they're checking out patterns and trends they've learned from their training data and making their best guess based on those. Because deep down in these complex algorithms and pattern recognition systems, it's all a game. Say for example you want to bake a chocolate cake for your best friend's birthday. Instead of using a search engine, you're using a chatbot. Why shouldn't you? It has all the power of the internet, and the internet is filled with millions of chocolate cake recipes. If you ask for the recipe from Bard, Bing, or ChatGPT, they will give you 3 different ways to bake your cake. But since they use a probabilistic approach, your recipe will be a mash of several other recipes. One might get the quantities wrong, miss ingredients, or even downright mess up. These are all issues that people have faced and complained about. According to forums and articles, the worst contender is Bard, which is surprising because this is the brainchild of Google. As we said at the beginning of the video, Bard did cost billions for Google by giving a wrong answer at their own demo. How embarrassing is that? It said that the James Webb Telescope was the first to take pictures of an exoplanet. This sent astronomers worldwide into a frenzy, and they took it to Twitter, and Google suffered a significant loss in their stock. So if it can cause a loss for its mother company, imagine what it can do to your own homework paper. So why does this happen? Big brains and institutions like Google or the San Francisco AI lab, OpenAI, get their hands on vast chunks of web text, which is then fed into these systems. These systems then sift through the mountains of text, searching for common threads and patterns. Once they got these patterns, they learned to churn out new original language. What's fascinating is that these systems whip up something fresh every time based on their previous learnings. So yeah, their output might echo something on the web, but it'll usually have its unique spin, Of course, they can make mistakes too. Should you disown all AI chatbots and return to the library when you need an answer? Well, that entirely depends on the purpose of your response. If you are just after a quick reply to settle a bet with a friend, you can stick to any major chatbots, and the answer will be good enough. Are you planning to cause more damage to Google stock? Then use Bard and post screenshots on Twitter. But suppose you're serious about your answer and want something more concise for school or work. In that case, you can get a general idea about the topic. AI is a good starting point. You can then use the preliminary learning you used to build on by doing things the old-fashioned way. The accuracy of AI answers is still unreliable because the tech is brand new. There are so many tweaks to do, and hundreds of brainiacs are working hard to perfect these systems and provide us with a better service. We wouldn't recommend pushing AI chatbots to the side just yet. There are great uses for chatbots, and the list of tasks is only getting longer and longer. They can help you become a better writer, and you can improve your knowledge of things like history or social situations. While it may give you questionable cake recipes, you can avoid lengthy cooking recipes on web searches. It can help you manage and schedule your tasks if you use something like Bard. Bing can help you generate images and visualize things better. After all, we are talking about the infancy of AI, and naturally, they get things wrong here and there. Did we as humans know everything about the world as children? Now, we know it's not right to compare humans and AI. But as with anything with the tech world, evolution will make things better. The first iPhone didn't have a copy-paste function, and look where Apple is today. To sum it up, use chatbots. Remember that they're flawed, just like humans, and need your expert eyes to fact-check. But that doesn't mean they don't have their place. They're best at creating text walls about things, rather than finding you the most accurate answers. They will keep making mistakes for the next couple of years, allowing them to get super good after that. So till then, make sure to fact check. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.